Good morning, boys. Donald. Good morning. Steve, get dressed.
Good morning.
Show him the new one. No, not you. What? Show him the new one. Yeah, not. Oh, Steve.
Trying to see that thing there.
Oh, dude, this design is so good.
So far, Oaks Garage Damage Prevention Team. We're gonna do some creative stuff maybe today, maybe this weekend.
All right, so today we're hanging out having fun. So I'm gonna capture what we capture and do all that. So Steve, get dressed. Let's get breakfast. Let's get to it. Told you to wake up, forget coffee. Yes. Steve finally gets his first import, and he does the classic move of parking as far away from everything as possible.
Yeah, I wasn't trying to park next to any of these jokers, these clowns. Look at Cedric the Entertainer.
You're here with the Teslas.
Wow.
Wow. She gleaming. Let's look how clean this car is. Eddie's finally gonna go for a drive in his car today. Yesterday was a little hot, a little overwhelming, so he finally has a moment to take it in.
What's that sound?
It has a twin disc in it. They just make that noise. I've never seen a JZX90 tour review without a twin disc in it. I swear to God, they came factory with a twin disc. Have fun. There you go. That's it. That's it. I don't hear him chopping it. It's a JZ. It was meant to be beaten on. Ah, look at it in the sun. The green is popping. Owning a JZX changes the man.
Yeah, I'm so stoked for him. He's had this like subtle like.
All right, well, it's breaking up a little bit.
Need some spark plugs. And I spit on you.
That's all right.
It's all good. It's all good.
She needs a little tune up. This thing.
Here's some plugs.
We'll throw some plugs at her. Just breaking up a little bit.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
Eddie, that's all right. I get some plugs for you. What do you call it? The fuel cut defenders?
Yeah, need some fuel cut defender and some plugs.
This color is crazy because it always looks black, and then you put it in the light, and it's green. It's very much green.
Overboosting mechanism.
Yeah.
So you put this fuel cut defender to prevent, like, fools it to think that you're not going back.
It's got that hidden. Interesting. Anything good in here?
A CD.
They got a CD? That's the best part. Oh, is it in there?
There's a CD in it.
Run that. You'll be finding the gems.
Teriyaki boys.
That looked like some bait artwork. That looked fine.
Yeah, that's pretty crazy.
Hey, what if it's damn, that joint looks sweet in your next drop.
Damn.
The Parappa the Rapper dog.
Parappa the Rapper. Remember that game?
Favorite rapper, like
The CD's not in there? Oh man, finessed it.
There was gonna be some good shit on this.
Gretty, is that Gretty Boost controls? Gretty Boost controller? Huh.
That's on low boost.
It's on.
You see him going crazy, Chris?
Put on low boost. Yeah, it's breaking up.
Do these have ECU? Does it have ECU in there, or is this factory?
Factory.
Factory ECU.
If you guys didn't know, Link just came out with a JZX90 Tour V plug and play ECU.
Oh, that's perfect.
Good timing.
Perfect, good timing. Maybe we did it for a reason.
Hop below. Shop to me. Alright, we're gonna mess around. They got a land full of mini trucks here and a Pajero. Mini Pajero. Let's have some fun. AC working this thing? Hope so. Look at this thing. This vehicle was meant to be outside with it.
AC kicking in this bitch too. Kung Fu kicking.
Yeah, let's put the windows up. It's mini, but we got two big ass dudes in here and we fit.
Yeah, plenty headroom. I'm about to race a K truck. He left King Louis out for weight reduction.
Does that actually work?
He said this shit turbo too.
Yeah, it is, yeah. Oh yeah, look at it. That thing definitely works. It's moving. We going north now.
That's fire.
You want the smoke? Oh. Why are we getting beat by that thing right now, Steve?
Nah, he was toasting us in this shit.
Come on! Come on! I'm gonna pit maneuver this thing off the road.
Man, that thing was moving.
Threw the hazards on. That's just disrespectful. That's funny, dude. Honestly, you'll never get more smile per dollar than a K vehicle. It's just a fact. Get like, Jesus. This thing fucking, whoa. That bike looks crazy from the outside.
Oh, it feels crazy.
Hold on, Steve. Hold on, Steve.
We're in high altitude.
I got Chris so nervous. You should have saw his face, dude.
He's like, yo, he about to mac that shit.
If I ever get myself a big LZ compound, there'd be like 30 different K vehicles just littering the place.
All different flavors.
All different flavors.
Trucks, cars.
Acting up.
What happened, Chris? Got a little scary when it got hairy?
You see me busting that shit like the Kia boy?
We should get a video of us just like
Look at this.
This looks crazy steep, but oh, okay. Woo! Like nothing, Steve. Like nothing. Oh, oh, there we go. Hey!
Look at Big Jim. Look at the suspension just underneath it, eating it.
It's got 2 open diffs, so it's just spinning 1 wheel.
This is like a little perfect little habitat for it, though. It look right at home. Jim doing hood rash things in a Pajero.
You got a foot on my side, Jimmy.
Yeah, he got it.
Still good. Straight back, you're clear.
That's a photo and a half. Right there, right there, right there.
That's it, right?
That's it.
E-brake? Ooh, e-brake. Holding this thing up. All right, Sunday morning, taking up the whole damn hotel parking lot. We are fully sedaned up. This looks insane having 2 big ass cars on this trailer. It's a big rig. All right, so we are headed back from Maryland, back to CT, get the boys back home and the new whips. Very excited to see them hanging out the shop. Dude, it is so funny seeing these big ass cars on here. This looks absolutely ridiculous, but I gotta get the boys back home, cars back home, get back in normal flow of things, get ready because this Wednesday I'm leaving for Ireland for the LZ Fest, which is the coolest thing ever, and I'm so excited for it. But of course, missing a whole week has put me behind and very stressed. So, what's a T-bone breakfast look like? Big old Rodeo King, bright and early.
That's it.
Oh, she did put the extra jelly, finessed her.
Well, so far, this feels insane behind the Duramax, but she's holding it down. No casualties yet. Donnie, we home yet?
I wish we were. Soon. Next rest stop, Donnie? What?
We're officially on the George Washington Bridge. We meet again. Car is still on trailer. Steve still being Steve.
Steve still Steven.
Better drive a
Tone still boning.
You take this fucking. Someone grab the goddamn camera.
I'll grab the camera for my boy Breaker Risticle.
DJ said there's a mound in the middle of the bridge right now.
Yep, GW Bridge. There's a couple of them. No, that's not one.
So we're trying to jump it.
We're about to expose New York roads.
Tone said it's like a curb in the middle of the road.
It's a vertical speed bump.
Curb
Speed bump. Yeah, it's bad. Go a little slower, James, so we can see it.
I'm feeling speed bumps.
Is that it right there?
It's up to you.
No.
Oh, right there is a good one. That was a good one.
Were we in the right lane?
Yeah.
Oh,
here it is.
They cut it down. They cut it down.
Nope, I don't know if that was it.
It looked like it could have been last week.
Or maybe it was right here. Yeah, there is patches.
I see some patches. They fixed it.
Yeah, they probably had to if it was as bad as you're saying.
The mayor probably watched my videos and seen it and took it down. All right, I guess they fixed it.
Go it. Hey.
What is
Steve, you know what this is?
Hold on, I'm gonna pull up next to it. What is that? That thing's sick. It looks like a toy. It's like an old American game. Who is that?
Yeah, it's Mr. Miyagi's fucking. That's Def Mr. Miyagi's. Deus on Fiat. Hey, what is that, brother? Should I ask him?
He's actually here.
I'll be fucking conversating with people on the highway as well.
Nah, he'd be yelling at people on the highway.
They're just nervous.
You know what the state nut of Massachusetts is, Steve?
Fucking
Nope.
Seaman?
Almond.
Almond. Close.
We've made it. That was the longest 6-hour drive of my life. Thanks to DJ.
I'm here.
We only had one casualty.
Eddie's cell phone.
Eddie's cell phone.
Cops are waiting.
If anyone happens to find Eddie's cell phone in Jersey, let us know.
Yeah, give us a call.
The boys are here. They've been waiting for you, Donald.
I can't wait to give him a show in a second.
All right, we gotta unload this. What does that mean?
Yeah.
Whatever. We gotta unload these bad Larrys and do all that.
Look at the band.
Oh my god. It'll be official one just on Wallingford asphalt.
Cedric Lamar.
Cedric the car.
Cedric the car. How's she doing? Jim acting up. Good car. A good car.
This thing's so stable, dude.
Eddie, you're next. Fucking mint. So cool.
It looks good in the sunlight.
Let me get a fucking mint. Fucking mint.
There it is.
No turbo timer?
Yeah, it is.
It does look good in the sunlight. Whew.
Eddie's got the Corolla's big sister parked right next to her. I love that.
That's good.
That's good. That is really good. That is so funny. Oh my god.
That's great.
Camry, Corolla, same. All right, so before I could even pull the camera out, everyone has already left. Everyone wants to go and get some sleep, and I don't blame them. But I was hoping to have a little bit more of a video for today. I didn't want to miss another one because obviously missed a whole entire friggin' week. But my ass is kicked, and we have like 3 days until I leave for Ireland, which is nuts. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, LZ and the guys down at Drift Games is holding a big LZ event next weekend, which is insane. So we get to go to Ireland, finally get to travel outside of the country this year, and Ireland looks amazing. The car scene out there looks unreal. So I'll be there for like a little bit over a week, which is really exciting. So it was really bad timing with last week because I wanted to be ahead of myself, so when I go out there I can kind of like go with the flow, but whatever, so be it. So the next 2 days I'm gonna try and get as much done as possible so I could leave here feeling a little bit more accomplished. The engine harness for the yellow S15 is finally showing up, hopefully tomorrow, so we can get that on. And the goal would maybe be to hear this thing start before I leave for Ireland. It still needs to be piped up and everything like that, but I think I can get it enough that we can actually hear the engine fire for the first time, which is scary because it's kind of a mystery engine, but whatever. And on top of that, I mean, we have so much stuff. So the yellow FD, it looks so good. I just want to do mods to it, but I'm also so happy where it's at right now, and I don't know. And hopefully I have a friend that is interested in the R33, and it maybe might sell this week, which is kind of like bittersweet and kind of crazy. But besides that, just trying to do a garage update because it's been like a week and a half. I have my Street Hunter parts waiting for my BRZ, and I've been dying to throw these things on. The BRZ I think is driven more by everyone else than me, so I've been kind of like holding off on actually doing these because but I'm dying to see him on. So we have the front lip and the spoiler, which doesn't sound like much, but it really changes up the entire car. And on top of that, I mean, we have many things to do. So thank you guys for watching. I don't even know what, me and Stevie just kind of filmed some random clips at Method, but we went down there, we picked up the cars for the guys. It was huge. I mean, the JZX90 is one of Eddie's dream cars, and something he's wanted for a very long time, so I was able to help him get into that, and I'm really excited to see what he does to it. And it's gonna be fun to see it here pulling up to work, and then of course getting Steve into a JDM or like a modifiable car is gonna be it's gonna be cool. It's gonna make Steve really feel a part of like all of this. I know, you know, he already did, but like even to a more personal level, and it's gonna be cool having, you know, like, I don't know, when we pull up to meets and stuff or events, Steve could take his car and like be proud of it, and it's cool. It is really cool. So everything's falling into place. The last thing we have to do is bully Brian into working on his damn car. So if you are still here in the video, comment below, Brian, quit playing golf, work on your damn E46, because I'm getting sick of staring at it sitting just like that. So with that, I think if I talk anymore, I'm just gonna ramble on, but I am beat. And well, hopefully next video I'll actually get some stuff on camera. So with that, I'm gonna go home, edit this video, and get some damn sleep. So once again, huge shout out to the boys down at Method. They're so good to us. I mean, not only do we really enjoy them as a business, we're really close friends, and if you guys are interested in getting yourself a Japanese imported car, please hit them up, Method Auto Group. They will help you find the perfect car in a very transparent process for a very affordable price, and honestly, that's really all you can ask. And if, hey, you might not know what you're looking for and you're just curious and might want to buy something cool, they always have stuff on their website for very, very, very fair deals. So with that, you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and we'll see you guys very shortly.